Hi everyone, it's beautiful outside, so I decided to go out and collect some natural materials. And today I'm going to show you how to make a natural loom. So all I need are some sticks, some flowers, and grass. I also need a pair of scissors and some strings, beautiful strings. Are you ready? So first of all, I need to make a frame with these sticks. So you can either do a triangle like that, or a square. Hope I can show you like this. Or if you have more sticks, you can make more shapes. Alright, so I have 5 sticks here, so I would like to make a hexagon. Alright, I'm gonna make the shape first. 4, 5. Alright, and now I'm gonna use a string to tie up all 5 corners. If you don't have string, you can use yarn. Ta-da! I got the frame. Alright, so next step, we're gonna use the strings. This time I'm gonna use these colors to make it more colorful.
So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna tie all the strings to the sides of the frame. Ready? See all the beautiful strings here? I'm gonna go under, over, and so on.
So all strings are tied. Here comes the fun part. I'm gonna use all my flowers and my grass to decorate the frame. Ready? Ta-da! So mine's done. I had a lot of fun doing this today. How about you? Maybe you can show me yours too. Hope you enjoyed today.